Welcome back to yet another video on how to edit your picture. Hope you're all doing safe. I guess you've watched the very first video already, so you know what app you're going to use. It is PicsArt. So you open the app, click on the plus sign and select the image that you would want to edit. Then you choose the cutout option from the menu down below. Draw an outline of the person that's there in the picture. Then you select the sketch option from the menu below if there are any portions left out from the picture. If there are any unwanted portions that are going to be cut out, you can choose the eraser option from the menu down below. Once you've done that, you get this. You select the fit option from the menu. So this helps you fit the cutout image onto a background. So I've chosen white as the background. You can choose it as any color that you want. If this is your first time, probably follow the video now, then experiment more. Now you select the draw option. So here you choose the layers option from the bottom right corner because we were going to create a lot of layers to get the pop-out effect. So you choose an empty layer, draw the triangle and fill it with the color of your choice. You just click and drag and orient the triangle based on the pose that you've given in the picture. You resize it and place it accordingly. Once this is done, you add another empty layer and you are going to place the image. So you click on add image, but you're not going to place an image as such in cutout again. You're going to place a sticker. So what PicsArt does is when you cut out, it saves that particular picture as a sticker itself. So you place the sticker over the triangle. I just adjust the opacity here so that I have a clear view of the image that's actually protruding out. I choose the erase option and choose the shape in which we're going to erase. It makes it work easier, you know. So what you're going to do is draw a rectangle and then orient it along the sides of the triangle. See? So those portions get erased. You repeat that again for the other side. So you've done all this, you adjust the opacity now to get a clear sticker, and this gives you a rough look of what the pop-out effect is going to look like. So now you go to tools and then choose the wrap option. So if this is your first time, you stick to the values I've chosen here. What you're going to do is kind of create a dripping effect out of the triangle. The closer you pack, the more effective it's going to look like. Now that you've done that, you get a result like this. You go to FX option and choose the shear mode from the artistic set. So now you select the second one and then adjust the size accordingly. So you don't want the entire picture looking this way, right? So what you're going to do is choose the invert option. Once you've chosen the invert, the image comes back to its form, but you can select those portions that you want to give this shear effect to. So you can see you just move over those dripping effect portions that you've just given, and this is how your picture is getting transformed. You've got the result now. You click the tick option. Now you have a brand new DP for the next 1 month or so until the next lockdown 4.0. You save the image and then it saves to gallery. I hope you like this video. I would love to see your transformations. So if you like it, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to That Coimbatore Girl.